Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to find rental cars on booking.com. I wonder why you want to know how to find rental cars on booking.com. Maybe you're planning to go on a trip in which you required a car, so that's why looking for cars. Or maybe you need a car to go on a trip, that's why looking for it. So whatever the reason it could be for you, in this video I'll show you how easily you can look for rental cars on booking.com. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the booking.com app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the booking.com app to open it. Once app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. At the top, you will notice the icon of the app and you will see a lot of options almost all over the screen. This one is a home section, therefore you could see all these things. Along with that, we have saved option where if you have saved any of the places, they will appear here. And in bookings, you will find your trips and bookings that you have done on this app. And this one is an account option where you could see different options related to your account and personal stuff. If you want to look for different kind of rental cars, then you have to come onto this search section, and along with the stays option you will see this option which says car. Once you tap on it, you will see this option. First, you have to choose that if you're going on a round trip, like if you start from point A, you will get the car point A, so you will return the car on point A or maybe some other point, so you can choose it. And after that, you have to choose your pickup location, like from where you need the car. So you have to search for the place on which you need the car. It could be any place of your choice. You have to search for it, and once you get the result, you may select from it. And after that, you have to select from which date to which date you need that card, and you also have to set the time for it. So now the calendar will open. You can choose your trip dates, like from which date you need the car and on which date you will return the car. So you can choose that, and after that you can select on which time you need that car and on which time you will return the car. Once you enter it, if you need the driver, you can also select which age of the driver you require, and after that just simply search for it. It will just take a while to load, and after that you will see the results. So on your home screen there you will see different cars that are available based on what information you have entered. So you can select any one of these. You just have to simply tap on any one of these, whatever you like, and once that car profile opens, you will see the model of the car and what is included into car price and from A to Z about that car. And if you like that car, you can book it, and there are other options available as well, so you can choose whatever you want to. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can find rental cars on booking.com. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.